Pretty much looking at 2 to 3 sausages per wall.
Well, 2 on a short wall like this, probably 3 or 4 on a big wall.
Okay.
I didn't have to use that up right there, but I did.
Okay.
So I'll peel off just the sides of this. Just helps for getting dust and dirt and whatever on there. Bring it in. Doesn't matter which side, but sometimes easier to go past the plumbing. Keep it right in place. So we had 13. One and 3/8. One and 3/8. And 7/8. And 3/4. You can get the rotors ready?
Ready.
1. And 1/4.
Ready the way you like it with no guard.
It just gets in the way. Well. Now, you could just start right. You feel the difference?
Mm-hmm.
So I can tell that I'm right.
Yeah.
You know. But remember, this road is going to go right through that dent shield if I get too wild with it.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have the dish up here?
No.
Okay, don't worry about it for now. It's just going to get in the way. Alright, any questions on that? Okay, so now, let me see the level again. You can see this wall is pretty low. Okay? It's actually perfectly low. So I don't need to draw a line out here or anything. I can use the edge of this as a reference point going back. And height-wise, things will change a little bit. Actually, you know what, they're not. I don't need to cut this leg into this panel here because the molding is going to be right on this edge. So I don't need to worry about cutting this down onto the floor. It's okay if it just overhangs. Does it make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Threshold is going to be probably right here. Starting here and ending here. But the molding itself will be, in this case, probably a little bit on top of the threshold, but it will be the piece going down to the floor.
Okay.
So I don't have to worry about panel. Kind of like the tub situation. You guys trimmed that to be up against the tub, and it was because your walls were way out past the tub. If they would have been 33 inches, 30-inch tub, 3-inch molding, the molding would have went right down the leg, and you wouldn't have to take the time to put that leg in there. You still need the panel to overlap, go over the tub, but the molding can become your leg.
Right.
So that's 36 right there. That's already telling me I don't even need to take a measurement. Just cut the panel. I mean, I don't have to do anything to cut. Just bring the panel up here at full 36. You know, because there's no way this wall is that far out square, and it might be. I mean, I'm actually 35 and 5/8 there. I'm 35 and 3/4 there. Funny enough, look at that. It is a little bit of it. This wall leans a little bit to the wall comes this way. All right. Now it's about a 3/8 of an inch difference from there to here. I could cut that out there. 3/8, I could just bring it into the house and trace it right there. Why cut it 4 times when I can cut it once? Yeah, if it's 2 inches out, that's a different story. Height, I basically just want to end up right about where I was here. That's 76 1/4. After I trimmed it, I'm going to go back to my 76 1/2 measurement because this may need to be trimmed too. So 76 1/2 is the only measurement I need.
Okay.